Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to set up Odoo 18 in your local environment. Okay, first we need to download the zip file from the GitHub. Okay, here you can search the GitHub account. Let's Odoo and simply write here Odoo 18 download from GitHub. Okay, then click. Here you can see the first link. Click on the first link URL. So here you can see the Odoo 18 branch. If here not selected by default, then you need to select manually 18 branch. After that, once you select the 18 branch or which you want to set up the Odoo in your local environment, select basically here the branch version. Okay, so after that, selecting the branch here manually, then click on the code button. Once you click on the code button, here is the URL and also the download zip file. You can clone from the URL with URL, or you can download the zip file. Okay, so I'm downloading the zip file. Click on the download. I'm already downloaded the Odoo 18 zip file and extracted in my system. So let's move to the my PyCharm local environment where we can set up the in virtual environment and Odoo 18. So basically, I'm set up the Odoo 18 community version, not enterprise. If you want to set up Odoo 18 enterprise version, you need to purchase the enterprise add-ons. Simply enterprise add-ons, put the path in your configuration file, that then after that your Odoo will be convert in enterprise. Okay, so let's move to PyCharm. So I'm already open in PyCharm Odoo 18. Okay, here you can see the Odoo 18 tutorial. I'm already installed Odoo 13, 17, 16, 15, 14, and also 11. Okay, too many project. Let's now, once you download the zip file and here open the directory Odoo 18. This is a basically Odoo folder. Okay, after that need to create the virtual environment. Here you can see the right bottom down corner. So Python interpreter, if you click on the interpreter, add new interpreter, and after the local interpreter. Once you click on the local interpreter, here you can see the virtual env environment. Okay, basically virtual environment, what is the virtual environment? Basically every Odoo need to run, so you have to install the Python version specifically for Odoo run. Okay, like a Python 3.12 or 3.10. So I'm basically use the latest version 3.12. Okay, after that here write the directory name up. Once you simply select here the Python version, then after that click on the OK. Once you OK, so here you can see the env. It means your virtual environment is created. Once the virtual environment is created, then after that need to run requirement file. How will we requirement file? Click on the requirement file. Here you can see all the libraries which we required for run the Odoo. Okay, so let's go to the terminal and here write the queries pip3 install -r requirement txt. Simply click on enter. If your requirement file executed properly and completed successfully, it means your Odoo 18 is set up without any error. If error is any coming in running when you running the requirement file, then you need to fix it. Okay, you need to Google, or you need to everything, you need to help any senior person. Okay, my requirement file is successfully installed. Here you can see. Okay, without any error, without any eh, fault. Okay, so let's after that need to configure the custom file. So here need to create the configuration file. Go to here and add one more file, custom dot conf. This file extension name is a dot conf. Click on enter, and here let's move to my another project, copy paste basically. Okay, copy there and Odoo 18. Okay, so I'm remove extra thing here. I'm removing. Okay, So also remove the path. So first is the options. Option is required in the configuration file. After that, the admin password will be strong, because for the database backup, take a database backup or delete the database backup from the front end. Okay, so let's write the master password is strong, admin at the rate 123, and db host is, it will be local host, and db port 5433. Okay, what is the database username? Basically your postgres username Odoo. Okay, and my postgres username is Odoo, and also Odoo. Database name, if you want to um, give the database name by default, or you can simply pass basically false. Okay, if you set here the limit memory hard, you can simply set the 0, or the advanced path is very important to run the Odoo. Okay, so first path will be take this one add-ons. Okay, Odoo 18, under the Odoo 18 add-ons folder, write the path here and copy and paste. After that, here you can see the Odoo folder. Inside the Odoo folder, here you can see the add-ons path. Okay, so simply copy and paste it here. So only two part is required for the run Odoo. Okay, after that, create the configuration file. So add here the configuration, click on the new and Python, select here the custom. After that, select the here is the interpreter, Odoo 18 interpreter. Here is saying invalid Python 3.12 interpreter, need to create again the virtual environment for the Odoo 18. Okay, so let's first remove, after that the run, or you can run from here. So basically I'm run from here. Okay, after that the setup there. Okay, simply Odoo bin -c custom.com and run it. Let's see. So by default the localhost port 8069. Okay, let's go to the Chrome and here localhost and 8069. Now I'm going to create password admin at the rate 123, the master password which is entered in your configuration file admin password. Okay, after that here the database name v18 v18 with version 18 custom. After that here the email it means key login id or login password user. Okay, admin. If you want to give by number, it is the optional. Also the country, select the country. If you want to take on demo data, once you create the database, so some entries is coming by default like as sales and contacts and purchase. If you want to do not tick here the demo data, the database will be completely black. You need to configure everything. If you click on the demo data, so some demo data will be automatically created in the database. After that, click on the continue. So let's wait for to creating the database. So database is created. Now enter here the admin, click on login. So my Odoo 18 is set up successfully without any error. Okay, so let's show you also the version. What is the version is installed? Here you can see the Odoo 18 community edition. Okay, after that I'm going to install some apps like a sales or a purchase click on the active button, you can install the modules. Okay. Let's wait some time to installing the sales module so that I can show you. So sale module is successfully installed. Here you can see the some data is coming by default because I tick on the demo data checkbox. Okay. So I'm currently run the Odoo from the terminal. If you want to set up configuration here, you can set up here. The next video I will be create on the how to set up configuration in the PyCharm. So you simply click on the tick checkbox and run automatically. Okay. So thank you. If you have any question or you have any query to install the Odoo 18 and community, please write down in comment box. So thank you.